Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. So today's technically like a part 2, a continuation of, I'm trying to pick these up here, the Boxycharm by Ipsy and then the Ipsy glam bag for November. So this is technically a part 2 and these are spoilers for November 2024's bags. And the theme is glow off this winter. And I did the icon box yesterday. If you missed it, if you were interested in seeing what was in the icon box, pretty good box. And today we're going to do these two. So I'm trying just to, I need my scissors. I can never pull these open. They're always so, I should not be back in the chair. It's a good way to fall off the chair. I have to cut them open. I just don't have the strength in my hands to open them. So let's get rid of all this stuff and see what the bag is like. I don't know if I'm a fan of the bag. I mean, some of you might be, but you know, have a card. And my card's obviously going to be blank just because, you know, it's the PR package for November. So this is the bag. It's like a snake skin with a little handle. I mean, I guess it's kind of cute. Is that like purple? Like a gray purpley tint maybe? And then it's, instead of being open in the top, it's open, you know, in the front, across the front. So it has a little, I don't mind these style bags, but let's see what we have here. Just going to take everything out so that I can look. Okay, and then the beautiful, you know, bright pink interior. Or like magenta. I wouldn't say pink, it's more magenta. That actually feels like a nice bag. Beautiful zipper on it. Like they're not, and then these aren't bad if you wanted to run out to the store with this. I guess you could if you wanted to clip the Ipsy thing off. I mean, you could use it for whatever you see fit. So let's see what's in here. From Goldfaden, I have I Defy. I'm sure this is like either a cream or a serum. Eye treatment. So I would say more like probably a serum. A little tiny sample there. And then here we have from Mark Anthony Repair Bond Leave-In Conditioner. Great for this time of year. Happy to have it. Can't get enough of those. My hair will get so dry. From Saturday Skin, we have a product. And I can't even read what that is. Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. Carrot and Niacinamide. I don't think I've ever seen anything with carrot in it. Interesting. Give that a shot. And then what do we have here? From Anastasia Beverly Hills. I would assume that's just a lip gloss. Can't imagine what else it would be. Let's put my little... Yeah, it's just a clear gloss. I shouldn't say just. It's a beautiful, beautiful packaging. I might keep this one because it is clear without any, you know, sparkle or shimmer to it. So that's not bad. Always use a clear gloss. And then here from who? Huda Beauty, One Coat Wow. Are you a mascara? I don't want to open it if it's mascara. Yeah, it is a mascara. Oh, I have to open it. I'm sorry. I will keep this one. If I get this in my bag, I'll share one. Oh, look at that brush. And it's like those rubberized ones, which I tend to like better. Oh, I wonder if this is her new, like new packaging, new Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Oh, that is awesome. Not a bad bag at all. Happy for that. So that was the glam bag. I was going to put, I don't know where to put this. We'll put that up there. Not bad. What did you think about that one? While I open up the Boxycharm. Oops. I don't think bad at all. So Boxycharm, you get a pamphlet just like you do an icon. You know, glow off this winter. Not really. Sometimes they have information in here. Let me see what's up. They have... So biggest sale of the year is going to be November 18th to November 30th, Black Friday deals. And then 12/1 to 12/8 Cyber Week sales. You know, some decently priced bundles. Let's give that a look. Ooh, what is that? Okay. So, first off, I have... That's funny. I think I have this. from Murad Environmental Shield Essential Sea Cleanser. I do believe I have this. I might share this, see if my sister's interested. If not, I'll put it in a giveaway. I'm not hoarding, you know, I have enough cleansers probably to last me the next 6 months, if not longer. So do I need to be keeping another big one? No. So if my sister's not interested, then maybe I'll drop it in a giveaway. From here, Cinta London. I've never heard of them. You ever heard of Cinta London? It's Aquafort Super Hold Setting Spray. Super Hold Setting Spray. Why do I need a super hold? Usually a setting spray is good enough. Here's the packaging, which is gorgeous. You know, plastic, obviously. Let's see. The scent. What's the scent? I can't figure that out. Maybe I can tell from the packaging. No. This comes from the United Kingdom, by the way, on the back of the package. Yeah, United Kingdom. That's interesting. Another setting spray. I've never even heard of them. Cinta London Aquafort. Nice. We have looks like a little palette thing here from Iconic London. Baked highlighter. Nice. Not a palette, it's a highlighter, so that's nice. They do have some nice products right here. This is going to like totally, I've already chipped my nail polish doing the icon box. So let's see if I can just use the knife to open these. So that's a shimmery highlighter. Sometimes I prefer the matte ones, but this one's not bad. I'm not going to swatch because in case I share, because I will be sharing some of these. I'm just not going to be keeping everything. So I might share that, but that's beautiful. I love that shade, personally. And then what do we have here? From Element Beauty, a liquid eyeliner. And I'm assuming this is, I don't know. Assuming it's black, but most eyeliners that you get are. And I'm sure this is no different. Trying to see if it says shade on it. I don't want to open it. I don't see a shade anywhere. I'm going to assume a black eyeliner. So, you know I will share that automatically. And then here from Violet Voss, great brand, Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette. So if you're interested in that and you see it as an option or in the sale, if it's not an option, because not all these are always options. So here's the packaging. Let's see what you look like. That's a little on the bright side, but still not bad. The top row is relatively neutral, bottom row colorful. So if you like a mix of both, that's not a bad palette. And Violet Voss has some awesome formula. At least they have in the past. I haven't used any recently, like that are newer. I would assume this is newer. You know, that whole top row, great. There's only one matte in the whole thing, so that's kind of discouraging. I wish there was a few more mattes but that the lighter one, so you can use it for a base, and then you know stuff like that. But not bad for the Boxycharm box either. I think November might be a halfway decent month. Like, don't forget, I'm trying to think. I know I saw something about a sale. I don't know, unless that's coming up for Mega. But there's always a sale. You can always get add-ons with your boxes. So if you see anything here that maybe is not in your box, but you can pick it up relatively inexpensively, you know, not a bad time to do it with, you know, this sales or add-ons and things like that. Make yourself a little list and see if you can catch things. But let me know your thoughts for this month. Boxycharm and Ipsy. I really, at first I was like, I don't like the bag, but the more I look at it, I really do like it. I love a good animal print, snake print, as long as they're faux. I, you know, obviously don't want anything that's real, but beautiful. I love it. And you could pop that off if you didn't want to. You just get a pair of pliers and pop that right off. It will open right up and come off. Just leave maybe the little ring on so you can get into it, but you could just leave that on. That wouldn't get in the way. Like if I had this in my handbag, I would just keep that out of the way. But nice bag, and I'm extremely happy this month. Let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.